sheer size of it just means there's a great deal of work that has to be done. We have just over 7,200 holes. The explosives that we're using is a water gel type explosive, which is quite robust and reliable. So we will light up all of the explosives over a period of about a third of a second, and then we'll separate the towers by about half a second each. The total amount of explosives will be about 300, which will be spaced over quite a period of time to break up the various small explosions which are going on. It'll take in the region of sort of 6-7 seconds or so.